Laitkam staff nurse but data manager mark away. Kene kede ka walk-in interview mo bla apply na po ka Mekla Age Control Society. The office of the Mekla Age Control Society shall invite application from eligible candidate who are citizen of India for appointment of staff nurse but on contractual basis for a period of 1 year, which is extended as performance in opioid substitution therapy OST Tura Civil Hospital o kare Tura kane. Staff nurse kawai but data manager kawai the Tura Civil Hospital BSc nursing or GNM candidate must be registered from the Meghalaya Nursing State Nursing Council. Computer knowledge desirable. Computer knowledge and knowledge of local language is essential. Arfajar tulab dong data manager umju graduate in any discipline with diploma and certificate computer application. Desirable working experience in data management, HIV/AIDS program, field setting, and working knowledge and of health related software. Essential experience, master in statistics, mathematics will be preferred. Kaner tulab arpoi hajar shibanai. Makine gede shapo tura ka jakab interview markane gede direct interview mo conference hall tura civil hospital. Tarik gede arkunai tarik bunai me arjar san shpo baje mustap. Candidate fulfilling the above criteria can apply in standard form or can make offline to have label support to civil hospital along with self-attested copies of all testimonial. Age limit as per government norms as on 31st March 2025. Candidate must bring along all the original document for verification at the time of interview. Tekan support to civil hospital. Thank you, Negi Jumtip. Kuleshibun.